Let me ask you a simple question. What if I told you that you can make money online using just your phone? No office, no boss, no physical business. Sounds like a scam, right? But today I'm going to show you the real way people are making money online through something called Forex trading. What is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. It's the buying and selling of currencies. For example, when you see something like GBP/USD, it means you are comparing the British pound and the US dollar. Now here's the interesting part. You don't need to own these currencies physically. All you are doing is predicting, will the price go up or will it go down? If you predict correctly, you make money. If you are wrong, you lose money. How money is made? Let me break it down in the simplest way. Imagine this. You open your trading app and you see the market is going up. You click buy. If the price continues going up, you make profit. If you see the market going down, you click sell. If price drops, you also make profit. So in Forex, you can make money in both directions, whether the market is going up or down. That's why many people are attracted to trading. Reality check. But let me be very honest with you. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many beginners lose money because they don't understand the market. They trade without a plan. They follow hype and signals blindly. Trading is a skill, just like driving or playing football. You must learn, practice, and stay disciplined. Why people choose Forex? So why do people still choose Forex? Number one, you can start with a small amount. Number two, you can trade using your phone. Number three, the market is open almost 24 hours. Number four, no boss. You are your own decision maker. And most importantly, you can grow it into a serious income if you treat it like a business. In this series, I'm going to teach you everything step by step, from beginner to advanced. No shortcuts, no fake lifestyle, just real knowledge. In the next video, I'll show you how money actually moves in the market and who really controls price. Make sure you follow because this can change how you see money forever. Delivery tips.